Welcome to See and Free University. This is your space to find resources and tools to see and free what makes you unique, special, and different. I've taken some of my favorite methods, tips, and tricks over the last 25 years and curated them for you. We'll have videos, references, worksheets, and reflections every 2 weeks. So in between watching our inspirational guests on seeandfreestudio.com, check back here so you may discover new things about yourself. Today is our first practice, discovering your own unique, special, and different, your USD. What is a USD? Your USD is your own way of contributing to the world. It's the thing you do best, being you. It gives your life purpose and meaning and reminds you of your value. It serves as a guide when you need to make decisions, approach problems, or navigate challenges. USD is our term at See and Free, but there are many terms that may resonate with you. Terms like purpose or drive, maybe gift, your authentic self, perhaps your nature, your spark, your ikigai, or your edge. Whatever you call it, your USD is more than your job, and it's more than your hobbies and interests. It's really a combination of your perspective and how you view the world, your abilities, what makes you motivated. Perhaps it's the combinations of experiences you've had and how resourceful you are. There are a few tenets of See and Free. The first one is we all have a unique, special, and different, something that makes us and guides us. Number 2, it's about who you are, what you love, what you're passionate about, what you're good at, not just what you do. And lastly, there are moments and circumstances that shape, or better yet, alter how we view and interact with the world. The moments that open our eyes to new possibilities. And those possibilities start with shifting your mindset, seeing your own value and potential. And that's what we want to do with See and Free. So let's jump in. You have 3 options for how you can get started. Either use your computer or device, a pen or paper, or snap this QR code to download your practice worksheet to explore your own USD. You're going to want to go to a place where you do your best thinking, free from distractions, where you have time to reflect. As I read through the questions, jot down your answers. You may want to stop the video after each question or watch it a few times. So let's get started. Who am I, no matter what the situation? People expect me to show up this way. If you're not sure, ask those closest to you who know you best. Question 2. What is my absolute most important value? The thing I won't compromise ever. Question 3. If I were a superhero, who would I be? What is my superpower? Question 4. What do I care about contributing to the world? What do I want to be known for? Question 5. What is something I never doubt about myself? Question 6. When am I the best solution to a problem? And question 7. What is the one thing I want people to think or know about me when I walk into a room? Take your answers and synthesize the themes. What do you notice? We want you to create your own slogan. Mine is, I see and free the best in others. I see potential in everyone and everything. It can be both a blessing and a curse sometimes, but it's 100% me. And when I am not sure how to approach a new or unfamiliar situation, I lean on my USD. I know if I stay true to seeing and freeing the best in others, I'll be okay. So now what? Make sure you capture your slogan and keep it somewhere that will inspire you each day. We also need to live up to our USD. Think of the moments in your life where your USD helped you land your dream job, tackle a challenge, make an impact in your community, or get unstuck at a critical juncture in your life. How do you rely on your USD personally and professionally? How will you make sure it guides your life going forward? And lastly, share it. Consider those see and free moments that you've had and share them with others to inspire them. Think of the advice that you wish someone had given you so that you could unleash your potential faster and perhaps even less painfully. What would your advice be? And how can you take that and let your USD be your guide? We want to thank you for taking time to finish Practice 1 and visiting See and Free University. Please subscribe to seeandfreestudio.com so that you may view our latest interviews with people who have tapped into their USD to find new See and Free University material so that you may continue to explore.